Hi, so we're talking about setting a new device from a template in Blynk. So those are the templates that I have. You need to go to the URL of Blynk, right? Press on templates and you can create a new template. Let's see how it's done. You can name it. So let's write console for blinds, which is related to the project we're doing. You need to work with ESP8266 on Wi-Fi, and you can describe it if you want. That's it. Now it's done, and you need to look at some data here. It doesn't matter for now. You can save it, it's very important. And then you need to go to data streams. You click edit. So we are starting defining a new data stream, which will be the first one, virtual pin. We're going to call it temp for temperature, okay? And it's going to be pin V0, and of course it's going to be double, and Celsius for the units, okay, and you can do -20 to 60. And you can create it. So now the next data stream we're going to use will be very similar to temp. We're going to call it weather, and the reason we're doing two pins that are similar for each other, it's only because it's much easier to deal with it at the code we've written. So we got the code on Instructable. You can look at it. Maybe you'll understand why we did it, but it doesn't really matter. You can use the same pin or another one just for make it easy. This is why we did it. So again, it's a virtual pin. Let's call it weather. Okay, and we can use V2 for it. Okay. Again, double Celsius -20 to 60. Okay. The third one will be also virtual pin, and it's gonna be called message. It's gonna be on V1. Message is a string data type. The default value is not, it doesn't matter, and we're gonna create it. And the last one will be called calendar. Okay. On V3, it's okay, and it's gonna be an integer. So units doesn't matter. This is okay. The minimum, maximum. Okay, and you can create it. So we're gonna use in the code. Maybe you've already seen it. 4 pins, and each one of them is going to get data, or we're gonna use the data we're receiving to do something, and of course everything is written in Instructable, and you're going to see it. Okay, so this is the template. We have to save it. Okay, now that we have it, we need to create a new device from it. So we can go here, and we see that I have 2 devices, so I need to delete one because I'm not paying them for now. So we're going to delete that one. It's okay. You can click on new device, and we're going to use a template that we just built. So choose the template. It's console for the blind, right? You can call it however you want. Let's leave it like that. And we press create, and that's it. This is what we have. And this is the device info. Okay, so you have the template ID, the device name, and the auth token. We're going to use everything in the code for different things. And you're going to see it. That's it. Thanks.